Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to go through the visa process. Visa process has the following steps. First one is the skill assessment, then comes the state sponsorship, after that comes the expression of interest, then comes the visa application, and finally the visa grant. Guys, I just want you to understand roughly about all these steps involved in the visa process. Now, let's understand all the steps. In skill assessment, the skills of the applicant are checked on the basis of educational and professional documents submitted by the applicant. Some occupations have a personal interview also. In this step, all the documents are checked thoroughly and then, if everything seems good for the assessing body, the skills are approved and the applicant is eligible for the next stage of the process. Next comes state sponsorship. In this step, one of the five states sponsors the applicant, for which the applicant has to pay their fees and applicant gets 5 or 10 points from the state depending on the visa type. If it is a regional state sponsorship, then the applicant gets 10 points, and if it is a state sponsorship, the applicant gets 5 points. The sponsorship is not mandatory. Applicants who go for skilled independent visa, that is, the 189 visa, don't go for the sponsorship. Next comes the EOI, which means the expression of interest. In this step, the EOI is sent by the DIBP, which is the Department of Immigration and Border Protection. This means the department is interested to allow the applicant to put an application for visa, and applicant has to revert to the EOI. After EOI, the applicant can apply for visa. The DIBP checks all the documents thoroughly, and if everything is good, then the visa is granted. So guys, I have just provided a rough information about the visa process. If you want thorough and detailed information, then I suggest you to visit Amara Visa Agent. He can explain all the steps in detail. Guys, as I told you in the last video, we have made this video series to make you understand that what happens if you submit incorrect documents, so that when you are processing your visa with the help of an agent, you should be aware of this. What happens when you actually end up submitting the incorrect documents and what are its consequences? So guys, if you are planning to apply for a visa, then I strongly suggest you to take help of Mara agent. But be aware of what happens if the wrong documents are submitted. And we are getting closer and closer to the topic of natural justice, which is very important, and you should be aware of the natural justice before applying or during you apply for the visa. So guys, stay tuned to our channel, and step by step we are getting closer and will provide all the information about the natural justice. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye from me.